Hey there, I've developed a super simple yet profitable trading strategy that uses just one free indicator and has delivered an impressive 2682% profit with an 88% win rate using only 3x leverage. But patience is the key, and you need to watch the entire tutorial because somewhere in it is your golden key to unlock these claims. So if you're eager to learn more, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to TradingView and choose any chart you'd like. This strategy works across all markets, whether it's Forex, crypto, or stocks. You can also select any time frame, but I recommend using either the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame for optimal results. Next, go to the indicators section on TradingView and search for the Pivot Boss 4 EMA indicator. This strategy revolves around the powerful functionality of this tool. But before we begin using it, we need to fine-tune the settings to maximize its effectiveness. Here's a quick guide to optimizing the Pivot Boss 4 EMA indicator in the Inputs tab. Adjust the following: set the trigger line to 21, change the short EMA line to 45, modify the medium EMA line to 90, set the long EMA line to 180 in the style section, change the trigger type to circles. Feel free to customize the colors of the circles and lines to match your preferences. Now that we've set up the indicator, let's break down how it works. The Pivot Boss 4 EMA indicator helps you identify trend direction and pinpoint the best entry points for your trades. Here's the key: when the 45 EMA is above the 90 EMA, and both are above the 180 EMA way, with the price sitting above all three lines, this signals that the market is in an uptrend. Conversely, when the 45 EMA is below the 90 EMA, and both are below the 180 EMA, with the price sitting below all three lines, the market is in a downtrend. Now that we understand how to identify trends, let's talk about the trading rules for entering a buy trade. Ensure the market is in an uptrend. The 45 EMA must be above the 90 EMA, and both above the 180 EMA, with the price above all three lines. Wait for a price candle to close below a dot. This signals a potential buying opportunity. Once the candle closes below a dot, hold off until the next candle closes above a dot, which confirms it's time to enter a buy trade. Set your stop loss at either the recent swing low, the 45 EMA, the 90 EMA, or the 180 EMA, whichever suits your trading style. Use a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1 to set your take profit. This helps to balance risk while aiming for substantial returns. For sell trades, the process is similar, but in reverse. Confirm that the market is in a downtrend. The 45 EMA should be below the 90 EMA, and both should be below the 180 EMA, with the price below all three lines. Watch for a candle to close above a dot, signaling a potential selling opportunity. Wait for a candle to close below a dot, which confirms it's time to enter a sell trade. Set your stop loss at either the recent swing high, the 45 EMA, the 90 EMA, or the 180 EMA, depending on your trading style. Again, use a 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio to take profit, ensuring potential gains outweigh the risks.
To take your trading to the next level. If you're tired of trading with limitations and want to unlock your full potential, listen up, this could be a game changer for you. Imagine trading with up to $300,000 at your disposal and keeping up to 95% of the profits. That's exactly what Funded Next offers. And the best part? You're in control. No trading deadlines, just pure opportunity. Plus, with raw spreads and the lowest commissions, every trade is set up for success. Worried about payouts? Funded Next guarantees you'll get paid within 24 hours, or they'll top it off with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out. Join over 81,000 traders worldwide who are already making their mark. Click the link above or in the description to sign up, get funded, and start trading like a pro today.
Last but not least, to show you a couple of our back and forward testings, which include our 100 times testing it though, following with the results and the golden key to make it possible to achieve jaw-dropping results as promised. We tested this strategy on the Solana and Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame. Out of 100 trades, we achieved an outstanding 88% win rate. Total profit was an impressive 26.82% over the testing period. But to be honest, these results were not achieved using a 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. If you want to make it possible, you need to combine this strategy with price action, use a proper trailing stop loss, and use fib levels with my very own customizations. Fear not. Check 3 videos of fib levels, risk management, and human factors in our Trading University playlist, and you'll be able to achieve even more than just an 88% win rate. Why not? Even if you think this strategy is not for you, make sure to check the other recommended video. You'll love it. Feel free to drop your questions and ideas down in the comments. I'd love to get back to you ASAP and discuss things. Thanks for watching and happy trading.